Good morning, guys. Today is going to be a productive day because we all need those days where we just buckle down and do the things we need to do. I have laundry to do, I need to clean my room, I need to clean my bathroom, I need to go on a run today because spring track practice is coming up. I ran the other day and that's it. That was the first time in months. So good luck to me. I also have a youth group today, so I'm gonna get ready for that. There's a lot that needs to get done. I'm filming this on Saturday. Hopefully I'm able to get it up on Sunday. Sorry I didn't post last week. It was the end of the quarter, so I was trying to get all of my work done. It's 9 a.m. right now. I'm gonna go on my run at 2, so we have about 5 hours to do this. And then I have to leave at 5. This is the current state of my laundry. Also that.
Why?
Cleaning my mirror might actually be the bane of my existence. I don't enjoy it. Anyways, so it's 11:57 now. I've made good progress. I put my sheets on. They're kind of wrinkly because they've been in a pile for like a week, but they are clean. I did my mirror. And I have a load of laundry going. I washed the black load, now it's drying. Now I've put in my blanket, my comforter, so that can be clean for tonight. It's very sunny in here. It makes me really happy. I also vacuumed this little area over here and my entryway. So today's going really well. It's been a productive day. And now I have this to work on, which actually isn't that bad. Hey guys, so I've been on a break. I just dropped one, but I made a snack. I have some toast and these spicy chips from Trader Joe's. If you haven't tried them, they're very good. And I've also been watching Elmo talk. And now I'm going to tackle this lovely little section right here. Unfortunately, the time has come. It's January 22nd and it's time to take my beloved tree down. It's been up for exactly a month, I think. Let's admire its beauty and its Christmas spirit one last time. Okay. lost a lot of leaves, and frankly, I don't think it had enough to do that. I'm about to go to the gym. I put my hair in a bun, long sleeve, black leggings, and my tennis shoes. Workout complete. Running the gym. So now I'm going to drink some water and a piece of ice, and now I have a freeze, a brain freeze. Okay, we're leaving in 20 minutes, and I'm still in my gym outfit, so I'm gonna find, oh my gosh. Okay, better. I'm gonna find something to wear. I know what pants I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear these pants because they're comfortable and flowy. I just need to decide on a shirt to wear. I have a few shirt options. I'm not sure completely what I want to wear, so I'm gonna try them on and I'll show you. And then we'll see a final product. Okay, this is the first option with this lime green t-shirt. What do we think? And this is the other t-shirt. I think I might like this one. It says comfortable. It says game night. Okay. We are leaving in 10 minutes, and like any sane person, I'm gonna use that time to make TikToks. I've officially used up all of golden hour. We're supposed to be leaving. I need to find shoes. I also have to pee. And I don't love my hair.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Two, three, turn! Oh my god!
That's a really good video. No time to overthink this. It's really salty. It's really salty.
Don't leave
Very
us.
nice. You took.
Darling,